Welcome folks, this is Wear and Tear, yet another YouTube outdoor and gear review channel. Today I want to show you another bad knife, an out of the front knife, a fully automatic knife. Last time I showed you the F16, AKC F16, so I did an in-depth review of this knife. And now I have to order one for a work colleague because I'm just a bad influence. And this is called the Cobra. Very similar knife to the F16, except of the different style. It is available in many different design options and colors, but it has a similar size to the F16. It is significantly heavier though. It seems to have a very similar or the same internal action as the F16, except it also comes with a glass breaker. So let me engage the Cobra. There you go. Cobra is available in many different blade shapes. So this is the dagger shape. They're illegal to carry outside your apartment or house in Austria, as far as I understand. And this is the AKC F16. You gotta have to love those 80s action movie style names. Cobra, F16. It's pretty cool. Yeah, similar sized knives. This one of course feels a bit heavier, feels a bit more solid. It has a little bit less blade play than the F16. That adds to its slightly sturdier impression. But it is really a more significant investment in terms of weight, which is not a problem if you just use it around your desk, like you should, at least in Austria. But it would be a problem, of course, if you carry it in your pants. Because for this type of weight, you can already carry more substantial knives. Well, this has a very good, let's put it that way, weight to blade real estate ratio. They're pretty interesting as they both have this ultra grippy tape that you can use to actually file your fingernails. So they're both very grippy. This one is even more ergonomic. If you look closely at the shape, it's just beautiful in your hand. And it's even harder to miss the mechanism that engages the knife. Generally, how does the action work? This action works a little bit harder than this action. So I like the action on the Cobra better. I also like the fact that it's not as easy to slip off the Cobra. And when you engage it, you can't really slip here. Well, with the AKC, I've had that problem. I slip over quite often. If your finger is a little bit wet or greasy from all the candy that you eat on your desk while you're watching YouTube videos and, you know, growing weaker by the hour, so then you easily slip over. If your fingers are nice and dry, it's not a problem. But in my opinion, this gives an edge to the Cobra. The Cobra is pretty much the same price as the AKC. So if you don't mind a little bit more substantial weight on the Cobra, I would actually go with the Cobra. It has better ergonomics, better trigger mechanism, has a glass breaker that you totally need when you sit in your office and open envelopes, boxes from Amazon, and of course boxes with candy inside. So you need that glass breaker. The glass breaker also comes with a lanyard hole, by the way. You don't have a lanyard hole on the AKC. So two very much fun out of the front knives, fully automatic. So if you ever wanted to have such a knife, the two of them, they're a great option, budget option, if you don't want to invest like 500 or 600 in a Microtech or something like that. So this was Wear and Tear with a short presentation of those two automatic knives. Over and out.